Hi, I'm Kelly from Collage-Lab. Today is February 22nd, 2026, and I am starting the 100-Day Project today, if you'd like to follow along. The 100-Day Project is a free global art project that takes place online every year. Every year, thousands of people around the world commit to 100 days of creating. Anyone can participate. Just choose a creative project, do it every day for 100 days, and document and share your process online. My goal is not to make more art or create every day in order to build a daily practice. My 100-day project this year is actually being created as a gift for you. I'm calling it 60 Seconds in the Lab, and I'll use the hashtag 100 Days of Collage-Lab and 60 Seconds in the Lab. I initially thought that this would be 100 days of collage warm-ups, but I'm going to expand that a bit. Watch for a combination of quick collage warm-ups along with actions and ideas to get your collage practice going and growing. Today I'm going to do a warm-up and I invite you to join me. It's one of my favorite warm-ups, and if you've taken a class with me, you've likely done this one or more times. It's a 5-minute collage. The rules are simple. Feel free to break the rules whenever you want as well. But here are the rules. Keep it small. I usually do these in a sketchbook or a small 4-inch by 4-inch substrate like watercolor paper. Limit your materials. Grab a small stack of papers. This is not the time to hunt for all of your favorite images or a specific color palette or anything like that. Work fast. Don't overthink it. Set your timer for 5 minutes. Pick one piece of paper and start. Glue it down. Grab another piece. How does this interact with the first? Glue it down. You'll find that ripping and tearing is faster, so you might not even need scissors. I find that a glue stick is the most expedient way to work on a timed exercise. You can cut out objects and focal points, but you don't have a lot of time, so be selective. You don't need to cover the entire surface either. Give your pieces room to breathe. And finally, after the 5 minutes are up, feel free to return to this piece. Feel free to add finishing touches. And there you have it. Day 1 of the 100-Day Project, 60 Seconds in the Lab. I will be posting regularly, maybe not every day, but you'll find each video in the 60 Seconds in the Lab playlist here on YouTube. You can also follow Do the 100-Day Project and use the hashtag the 100-Day Project over on Instagram. Tell me in the comments what you're doing for your 100-Day project, and I will be cheering you on.